Welcome again. We are going to learn this program. It is Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet. First of all, let's see about our screen element. Here we have different tools. We have what is called title bar. This title bar, it shows you the program where you are working. For Microsoft Excel, title bar, you see we have book 1, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a good program for calculations. You see, it is like a book because it's composed by the sheet. We have also what we call quick access toolbar. This quick access toolbar, it helps you to add some tools. Okay, you may click here on this down arrow. It shows you the tools which are on this quick access toolbar. You can add the new ones. For example, open. You see, when I click on open, each icon will be here on this access toolbar. You come again. You see, you can add also spelling. Okay, when you click here on spelling, it will show you this sign. Okay, click here on spelling. You see, spelling icon will be displayed. It is the same also when you need to remove the tools here. When you click here on save, you are going to deselect or to remove this icon from access toolbar. Okay, let's do it practically. I click on save. You see, save icon, it will be deleted. Yes, that is how you can add and removing the tools on this access toolbar. We have also here the 3 icons which are very important. Here we have what you call close button. This close button, you can close the window after using your program. We have also the second one. You see, it is restore down or maximize when you need to make any full your window. We have also minimize. This icon minimize, it will help you to minimize the window. When you click on this minimize, your program or your window will be displayed here on the taskbar. Okay, I think you understand. We have also what we call menu or tabs. See, here we have file, home, insert. We have also view. Those are the tabs which will help you to accomplish your different tasks. Also, we have ribbon. This, it is called ribbon. Yes, it is ribbon. Let's click, for example, on this tab, formula. You see, we have different tools of formula bar. When you click here on data, also on the ribbon it will display different tools of data menu. Here we have also what we call name box, as it shows, it is name box. It shows the name of a cell. Okay, there is also what we call formula. This it is called formula bar. The formula bar, it displays or it shows the text or the numbers. Everything that you type here on the sheet, it will be displayed on the formula bar. For example, you see, you are seeing that typing D and it displayed here on any formula bar. We have also the columns. Those are the columns. The columns here in Excel are represented by the letters. Okay, you see from A, B, C, D. You may ask how many columns we have. Let's show you. We may use Control key and right direction key. You see, the last column, it is called XFD. That is a last column. When you need to come back, you use Control key. You press Control key with left direction key. Yes, you may do it on yourself. We have also the laws. The laws are represented by the numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have many laws. Let's see the last law. A last law. Let us use control plus down direction arrow. It will show you the last law. For example, here you see we have 1,048,576. Those are the number of laws. Okay, you can use also control and up direction key. Yes, I think you understand. Let's see also what we call a cell. A cell, as normal, it is intersection of column and row. For example, here we have column B. We have also row number 4. The name box will show you B4. Okay, it means a cell B4 is intersection of a column B and row number 4. There is also what we call a range. For example, let's show you an example. I'm going to select C3 up to E6. This is a range. It is a range from C3 up to E6. That is a range. Continue now. We are going to see the sheet. Here we have sheet 1. And there is also how you can adding the new sheet. Here we have new sheet. You click here on this sign plus. See, we have sheet 2. When I click again, I will get sheet 3 and sheet 4. Okay, that is how you will add the new worksheet. Now let's see the what we call scroll bar. Okay, we have vertical scroll bar. Okay, you see, you may click here or you may click down to see what is below and what is above. Okay, you may scroll up or scrolling down. We have also horizontal scroll bar. You see, it helps to see or to verify what you have left or right. Yes. Okay, I think we understand and we have something about our screen of Microsoft Excel. Thank you.